God created everyone with a purpose. Even the color of our hair is decided with a purpose, and our complexion with a purpose. So today I was watching a video where I saw few parrots, baby parrots, very lovely, very beautiful color. So I was thinking why God created green parrots. So there is an answer for this. So as I was watching that video, a crow came there near to their nest, and that crow nest in other sense, they just have a hole inside the tree, not like sparrow nest, but a hole inside the tree. So they all were out, all three baby birds were out, but they were trained by their mother. If the mother is not around, how they have to act. So what happened when the crow arrived near to their place? Those three little birds, they were not moving, they were just stagnant, sitting at one place, and they were not moving at all. So they were trying to make the crow confused. They were acting like they are like leaves of the tree. So when the crow found them, crow was confused whether it is a bird or it is a leaf, because the leaves will not get scared of the crow or eagle when they sit on the tree. So they were not moving, not afraid. They were acting that they are leaves. And after some time, the crow went away from that place without harming them. So God has given them green color with the purpose to protect them from crows and other birds. Isn't that wonderful? Praise God. Amen.